What's up, guys? Back with something different today. As you can see, I went to my Walmart and then I saw these two hockey old hobby boxes for really cheap. So I just decided to pick them up, you know, since it's only $8 for this one and then this one is $25. So I mean, anytime you can find hobby boxes for that cheap, it's kind of hard to resist. Although, you know, I only collect basketball, but I do watch hockey. So, I mean, I just thought it might be fun to do a box break of this. So, probably most of these are going to be for trade, or, yeah, since I don't really collect hockey. So, alright, so I'll start off with this one, and then I'll probably break this one later, maybe tomorrow, tonight, I don't know. So, we have a, what is this, 1998-99 UD Choice Hockey. As you can see, full box hobby, only $8, really cheap. 6 cards per pack and then 36 packs per box. Alright, let's get into it. There we go. Never seen this product, so I have no idea what to expect. That's what I mean. Anytime you can open packs, it's always fun to do it. So, okay. Star Quest of Martin Brodeur and Brett Hall. I don't even think there's any like jersey cards in this product since it's so old. Oh, that's cool. Bobblehead card. So if anyone is interested in collecting hockey or likes any of these cards, please let me know. The only stuff I would want to keep is probably the Leafs or Joe Sakic, so everything else is for trade. Brian Leach, Star Quest, Sergei Samsonov, I don't know. I'm not going to show the base, just going to go through them quick. Ray Burke, Star Quest. That's nice. I used to watch the Avalanche a lot, so I know Peter Forsberg. What is this? It's kind of cool. It's like can you see that? It says reserve. Is that like a special parallel or something? Curtis Joseph Cujo. That's cool. That's what I'm talking about. Matt Sundin, Star Quest. That's going to my hockey collection. Steve Yzerman, Star Quest. Teemu Selanne. Dominique Hasek. That's another reserve. some kind of parallel. Another one of these. Brian Giunta. So a lot of packs to go through. That's a nice one too. Ed Belfour. Jaromir Jagr. Star Quest. Nice. That's also for the collection. Brendan Waugh. Star Quest. Oops. Pavel Bure. That's a nice one too. Wayne Gretzky, Star Quest. Keith something. Not gonna try. Oops. It's one of my favorite hockey players back then. Ty Domi. Another one of these bobblehead cards. That's a cool one. It's a different color. Patrick Waugh. Red. John LeClair. Normal Star Quest. That's cool. Different parallel. That's a good pack. And 2 inserts. Jean-Pierre Dumont. And Pavel Bure. Bobblehead card. Peter Bondra. Thierry Fleury. What is this? That's cool. Insert of GM's Choice Team Waugh with Joe Sakic. That's cool. Mark Messier. All green. Are they just like different colors, or are they all the same? I'm not sure. Like, I know the blue is common, but how about the red and the green? If anyone knows, please comment down below. Another insert of, this is a Crease Lightning, Sean Berg. Gotta speed through these a bit faster. Patrick Elias. Same one. Blue and green. A lot of packs actually. If it gets to like 15 minutes, I'll stop it, and then I'll make part 2. Another Ed Belfour, Steve Yzerman, got both of these. GM's Choice Team Yzerman, Nicklas Lidstrom. Brendan Shanahan, Saku Koivu, StarQuest. Bobblehead of Theoren Fleury. Joe Sakic, nice. Alexei Yashin. Mike Retcher, Crease Lightning, and a parallel of Scott Stevens. Three more packs and then I'll stop the video and make part 2. If anyone is still watching this. Eric Lidstrom. Never heard of him, but he is a Leaf. Mike Johnson. That's nice. Roberto Luongo. World Junior Showcase insert. Tony Amont, red Dominik Hasek, and Team Yzerman for some reason, but it's a Peter Forsberg. Okay, last one. Another Peter Forsberg. And another Matt Sundin. Not complaining. Steve Yzerman. And in parallel of Peter Forsberg. Alright, I'm going to stop the video and then I'll be back with the second part of the break. Thanks for watching.